So hello guys, welcome to Nuclear Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to repair this 12-volt DC adapter. You can see here it has a leakage of current. So let's start the video. So guys, this is the most major problem found in DC adapters. You can fix it easily. First, remove the back cover. You can see this is a board. You can see here we have removed the board. You can see here it is divided into this part is called AC section and this is called DC section. From AC section to DC section it has a non-polar capacitor or a MOV. You can see here it is directly connected to the AC current. So you can see here, you can see in this board it's divided into two parts. You can see there is no connection between the AC section and DC section, but the connection you will see in this circuit is only the MOV or a non-polar capacitor. As you can see, this is the non-polar capacitor connected here. The AC current flows through that non-polar capacitor or MOV. There is a minus or positive terminal of your power supply. You need to discard this capacitor or MOV. If you have any MOV, then replace it. If you don't have, just cut it off and skip. That's all. You can see here, this is the capacitor. It's totally optional. You can also skip. This is called a MOV. Now I am replacing it. If you don't have this type of MOV, you can skip it. There is no problem. You can see I am replacing this MOV. So replace this. If you haven't visited my website yet, then what are you waiting for? The link is given below in the description. Go and visit my website. For more updates, follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Now you can see here I have replaced the MOV. This is the most major problem found in any of the power supply. Now it's fixed. The problem is fixed. If you get the electric shock again after replacing the MOV, you should replace the optocoupler as shown in the figure. You can see here. If your adapter doesn't have any optocoupler, then don't replace it. Just replace the MOV and it's ready. You can see here. Now I am checking. Let's plug it in. So you can see here it's turned on. Let's turn the lights off. You can see here You see there is a low leakage of current, but this low leakage current doesn't harm you. I'm touching with my hands also, you can see there is no electric shock. Thanks for watching.